Alright, I was trying to say that in the whole video until I hit that big rock. Now I gotta talk. I was trying to drive and all that. See if I can go over it. Rah. Anyway, guys, I was trying to be silent, do a silent video, but that's not working. This little thing's handling good. I got this several months ago, about 2 or 3 months ago from RC Moment. I'll put a link in the description if you guys want to check it out. But I've been impressed with this since I've got it. You guys see how it's handling out here in this terrain. And for the price you pay, you really can't beat it at all. First time flipping out here running. Yeah, it uses those vape type batteries that go in like electronic cigarettes and stuff. So, and you get a charger and stuff with it as well. But for the price you're paying, about 89 bucks, probably about 95 or so shipped, I think you get a pretty good deal with it. Quit hitting stuff and knocking it over. Still handling, I think, pretty good out here in this terrain. I want to get my voltage out and run it stock against this because they both use the same kind of batteries. It's just the voltage, the armor voltage is granite voltage. It's just with that one, you can add up to 6 of those batteries in it just for a longer runtime, nothing with speed. And then you can also use nickel metal battery packs and lipos and stuff. So I think how this is set up, I think you get about 12-15 minutes runtime. Maybe a little bit longer. I can't remember. I didn't really time it too much with this. I know kind of when I go out and run it, it's kind of just like this. I just go out and just run it. And yes, it comes with the lights installed. You can't really see it that much during the daytime, but the lights are installed on it. So it's a little bouncy out here. I expect it to bounce around like this anyway because of the terrain and kind of the way this thing is set up, but it still moves around, I think, pretty good. So anyway, guys, that's a run of this. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching. Let's end that again, get a better acceleration going out. Still not one.